Okay, I'm back, and now let's go ahead and take our lesson quiz for this lesson, and then we'll be done. So, question number 1, how many protons does the element carbon have in its nucleus? So in order to do that, you'd have to go up to, well, that's a lot of slides, so we have to go all the way back up here to our periodic table, and then we're going to find carbon, and then we're going to look for its atomic number, which is the number that doesn't have the decimal point. And so that's going to be 6. So it has 6 protons, and then it also has some neutrons in there, which we're not so interested in, at least not yet. So question number 2, atoms can absorb any frequency of light. Nope. So they can only absorb the frequency that will cause the electron to jump exactly from one energy level to another energy level. Number 3, what does an absorption spectrum look like? So it's going to look like the continuous spectrum, all the colors of the rainbow, but then it's going to have some black lines in it, and then those represent the colors that have been scattered out of that spectrum. Number 4, what makes a emission spectrum? Okay, that's going to be when you've got an atom and then light of a certain frequency comes in, it hits the atom, it makes the electrons jump from one energy level to another one, and then when they come back down, they're going to emit a certain color of light. So that's the emission spectrum. What will the spectrum of a star look like if the star is moving away from you? Okay, that's going to be red shifted. So that means each of the lines in the spectrum are going to be shifted towards the red. Now, they don't all turn red, it's just that they move in that direction. Number 6, how can the spectrum of a star tell you about its temperature? Well, there were 2 methods, but the big one, the one that I really wanted you to know, was look for the brightest color in the spectrum and then use Ven's law. So you're going to use the maximum wavelength is equal to 0.0029 divided by T. And then you can solve it for the temperature. The other method was by looking at the width of the lines. And that's it. So in our next lesson, we are going to talk about telescopes. And then after we finish with that, we are going to be finished with the Unit 1. So until next time, see you.